Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Feed the good bacteria in your gut and reap glorious rewards. That was the upshot in an important study culminating from several years of research. For this study, researchers put a group of type 2 diabetics on one of two diet protocols. Group 1 was placed on a standard diabetes diet, and Group 2 on a diet enriched with plant-based foods high in various fibers known to feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. These special types of fiber are called prebiotics. Both diets were otherwise identical in the number of their calories and in their protein, carb, and fat content. After 12 weeks, despite consuming equal calories and macronutrients, study subjects on the prebiotic fiber-enriched diet experienced significantly greater improvements in their blood sugar and blood lipid levels, in addition to losing even more weight. The researchers dug deeper to uncover what was behind these impressive results. They determined that the fiber-enriched diet promoted the growth of several species of good bacteria that ultimately became the dominant bacteria in the study subject's gut. These good bacteria then fermented or digested the fiber in the prebiotic fiber test diet and produced short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs for short, like butyrate and acetate. These SCFAs in turn stop the growth of bad bacteria, improve blood sugar metabolism, as well as fat burning. Hooray for that. SCFAs produced when good bacteria ferment fiber are now being heralded as superheroes in the body, doing everything from improving appetite control, stimulating immunity, quieting inflammation, boosting metabolism, and maintaining the health and function of the vital cells that line our GI tracts. In short, they are all the rage. Remember, the single most powerful influence you have on your microbiome is to feed it properly. The beneficial bacteria in your GI tract thrive on fiber present in plant-based foods you eat, meaning they are largely vegan. In contrast, bad bacteria, which compete with the good and promote disease, tend to prefer processed industrial foods and animal foods that lack fiber. When it comes to boosting SCFAs, eating foods with the most prebiotic fiber is the goal. These special foods include garlic, onions, leeks, Jerusalem artichokes, asparagus, beans, oats, carrots, okra, radishes, and tomatoes. We have listed these foods for you below this video, okay, so check that out. These foods are the superstars for feeding your microbiome. Eat them often. Lastly, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and your loved ones, because one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you.